guys and welcome back. In the last video, we have talked about dreams and there was a typical confusion whether we are real or our dreams. Therefore, to know the conclusion, must go through the video. Link is in the description. Now, in this video, we are gonna discuss whether is it possible to record our dreams. If yes, then who recorded it, whether in past or in future? If no, then why it is not possible yet? Let us discuss the answers of these questions in this video, which is going to be much more interesting than the previous one. Till then, subscribe our channel and hit a like to continue. As for the Christian calendar, back to 3000 BCE, the kings of Mesopotamia kingdom used to record their dreams in wax tablets, and a few thousand of years later, the Egyptian kings also started keeping a book on dreams to record their dreams. They had written about 100 most viewed dreams and what they would discuss in their real life. As for scientists, a dream is a succession of images, ideas, emotions, and sensations that usually occur involuntarily in the mind during certain stages of sleep. Modern science thinkers assert that the suppressed desires of human beings, which we have at some time in our awakened state, which reach any corner of the mind and then it takes the form of a dream. Meaning that most dreams are our desires which are not able to be fulfilled in the awakened state of any kind of fear, and then our brain makes a story in the form of dreams which gives us mental satisfaction. The scientific study of dreams is known as oneirology, and in 1952 the scientists reading this subject made a very special discovery for the first time. Electrical activity was monitored by researchers at the University of Chicago while some participants were sleeping, and shortly after sleeping, a strange action began to occur in the brain, which was observed by a change in frequency in the machine. Whenever researchers wake up the participants at that time, they always said that they were dreaming. And another special thing, I also came to know that the eyes of the people were moving around under the eyelids, and this phenomenon could be seen, and this stage of sleep came to be called REM stage or rapid eye movement stage. When the scientists studied the electrical activity of the brain while the participants were sleeping, it was found that the frequency was exactly the same when those participants were awake. The only difference was that the body stopped due to the production of chemicals in the body while sleeping. Or you might have sometimes when you are asleep felt a terrible thing sitting on your chest or a monster has stood next to you, but you are unable to shout and run away even if you want to. And you also feel suffocated. You try to make a voice for help but no sound comes out from your mouth. In the olden days, people associated it with the ghost, but from the view of science, it is called sleep paralysis. When we reach an REM stage, we start dreaming and our eyes start to move, and at this stage, our brain releases chemicals which paralyze our body, and this causes the muscles to stop working, which is why in our dreams, we often do a variety of things like playing, breaking, and even flying, but we actually sleep steadily in that place. The chemicals paralyze our body and what we call sleep paralysis. Now, people whose body is not able to stop these chemicals properly while sleeping, their body actually starts to act on their dreams. That is why some people start walking or screaming in their sleep. And I am sure you must have seen in your real life or in movies that some people start to move or scream in their sleep. There are still many philosophical problems with even all these views given by scientists. And so the journey still continues, and my confusion is still left unsettled. And after watching these two videos, you must be in deep state of confusion. Well, so that's all for today. In our next video, we will talk about a dream in which the dreamer is aware that he or she is currently dreaming. Well, so till then, subscribe our channel and share this video with everyone you know. And also before leaving the video, make sure to comment and like the video. Well, so thank you. Have a good day.